Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Charlie Morningstar in Gacha Online. First, let's focus on her distinct hair and facial features. Begin by selecting a light blonde color for her hair, aiming for a medium length, slightly wavy style. Next, choose bright red eyes to capture her unique gaze. Finish her face with a warm, friendly smile and a fair, natural skin tone, setting the foundation for her cheerful appearance. Now, let's assemble Charlie's iconic outfit. Start with a crisp white button-up shirt as the foundation. Then, add a sleek black bow tie to complete the upper half. For her main garment, select a long blazer in a deep red or maroon shade, ensuring it has a tailored look. Finally, choose simple black pants or a matching skirt to complete the lower portion of her ensemble, giving her that recognizable style. Moving on to accessories, these small details truly bring Charlie to life. Equip her with elegant black gloves on both hands to enhance her refined look. Next, search for a subtle crown or a small tiara to hint at her royal lineage. For footwear, select classic black dress shoes or sleek boots. If the game offers it, add a small, simple demon tail to complete her unique character, adding a touch of her true nature. For the final touches, let's perfect Charlie's overall presentation. Adjust her height to be slightly above average, reflecting her presence. Choose an open, friendly, and confident pose that embodies her optimistic personality. Double-check that all colors across her outfit and features perfectly match Charlie's established palette. Take a moment to review the entire character, ensuring no details are missed, and she looks just like the Princess of Hell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.